Arrive in style with this 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche Lieutenant. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are keyless entry, power outlet, adjustable pedals, fog lamps, privacy glass, heated mirrors, bucket seats, and driver illuminated vanity mirror. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.